Emma wakes up to a sunny morning. She looks out the window and sees a small bird on the tree. It's a bright blue bird, and it sings a sweet song. Emma is curious. She smiles and waves at the bird. Emma decides to make breakfast. She makes toast and tea. The tea is warm and smells nice. Emma likes to start her day with tea. She takes her cup and sits by the window. The bird is still there. Emma wonders why it stays. She watches it hop from branch to branch. Emma feels calm. She takes a sip of her tea and thinks about the day. Emma has a plan. She will go to the market later. She likes to buy fresh fruits, but first she will enjoy her tea. The bird's song fills the room. Emma smiles again. After breakfast, Emma gets ready to go out. She puts on her shoes and takes her bag. Emma opens the door and steps outside. The sun is warm on her face. Emma walks down the street. She sees her neighbor, Mr. Brown. He is watering his garden. Emma waves and says, "Good morning." Mr. Brown smiles and waves back. Emma continues to the market. She sees many people there. They are buying fruits and vegetables. Emma walks to her favorite stall. She sees apples, bananas, and oranges. Emma picks some apples. They are red and shiny. She also buys a few oranges. The seller smiles and says, "These are fresh." Emma thanks him and pays for the fruits. On her way home, Emma thinks about the bird. She hopes it is still there. She likes to watch it sing. Emma walks back with a happy heart. When Emma returns, the bird is gone, but she does not feel sad. She knows the bird will come back. Emma puts her fruits on the table. Emma makes another cup of tea. She sits by the window again. Emma thinks about the bird and smiles. She thinks about how small things can bring joy. Emma feels peaceful. She knows today is a good day. She looks forward to seeing the bird again. Emma enjoys her tea in the quiet afternoon. This is a story about Emma's simple joy. Sometimes happiness is in small things. A song from a bird, a cup of tea, and a friendly smile can make a day special.